Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to set up the HubSpot Meetings tool. This feature streamlines your scheduling process by letting clients and prospects book time with you directly, eliminating the back and forth of coordinating availability. Let's walk through the setup step by step. First, open your web browser and head to www.hubspot.com. Sign into your account using your credentials. If you're new to HubSpot, you can create a free account or start a trial to access the Meetings tool. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the HubSpot dashboard, which is your central hub for all features. Now look to the left navigation panel and click on Sales. Within this menu, you'll find an option called Meeting Scheduler. Click on it to access the scheduling tool where you'll build your booking pages. In the upper right corner of the meeting screen, click Create Scheduling Page. This opens up the configuration wizard that guides you through the entire setup process. You'll now need to select your meeting type. HubSpot offers 3 options here: one-on-one for individual appointments, group if you need multiple attendees from your side, or round robin to distribute bookings across your team members evenly. Choose the one that fits your workflow. Next, customize your meeting link URL. This is the web address you'll share with contacts, so make it professional and easy to remember. For example, something like your company.hubspot.com/meetings/your name works perfectly and reinforces your brand. Now it's time to define the meeting details. Give your meeting an internal name for your own reference, then set the event title that your guests will see when they book. You'll also need to define the location, whether that's a video conferencing link, phone call, or in-person meeting. If you're using video, HubSpot lets you connect providers like Zoom, Microsoft Teams, or Google Meet, which automatically embeds the meeting link in calendar invites. Head over to the availability section within your meeting link settings. This is where you define your working hours and the specific days you're available for meetings. Setting accurate availability prevents double bookings and ensures meetings only get scheduled when you're actually free. Under Booking Settings, configure your booking windows. This controls how far in advance people can schedule with you, such as the next 30 or 60 days. You can also add meeting buffers like 10 minutes before and after each meeting, which gives you breathing room between appointments and prevents burnout from back-to-back calls. Customize the booking form by adding or editing questions that collect necessary information from your contacts. You can integrate these with properties from your HubSpot CRM to automatically capture and sync data. Finally, preview your scheduling page to see exactly what your contacts will experience when booking. Test the entire process yourself to confirm everything works smoothly before sharing the link. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.